How to edit the clock or time that appears on your lock screen for your Redmi Note 15 Pro phone. The best way to go about doing this is using the quick access and tap on settings right here. And on your Redmi Note 15 or the 15 Pro phone here, you want to go down the list and look for the personalization right here. Now, once you enter into this area here, you're going to see different options and different things you can do. Go ahead and tap on this side here where the clock is. Just tap on that one time and it's going to take you to this area here. All right, so within this area here, you can go ahead and choose wallpaper style, and also for the home screen if you want to do that. Okay, you can choose the different wallpapers if you want to do that here, and this is just one of the ways of customizing the lock screen itself. Okay, there's another way, I'll show you that in another video, but for the time itself, you can tap on it and this here is going to show up. So from here, you can actually choose from the many of these available, and these are all already pre-installed, just so you know. All right, so if I go with this one here, it's going to appear like that. Notice how the time is here, and you can just go ahead and choose the one that you feel that's right for you. Okay, and if it's kind of like blurred out or whatever, it'll show you and let you know. Okay, now here on the font section here, you get to choose the color of what you want to appear. So at least this way, if you have a specific wallpaper color and you don't want it to be blended in, you want it to actually show more, you know, something maybe perhaps like this here, or anything that would have stand out some more, then this is the way to go. All right. Now, once you're done with all these changes, just make sure that you can, you know, make that this is what you want, and then just apply. All right, and then of course it's going to give you this here. You don't need to agree to this, by the way. You don't need to, so just don't. And it's going to apply the changes for you, and that should be your new lock style on the screen. Okay, and you can change that at any given time, like and sub.